Dear viewers, today we are going to learn about stages in school education according to NEP 2020. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us try to understand the stages in school education. NEP 2020 has restructured the school education curriculum and pedagogy into a new 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 curricular structure, replacing the earlier 10 plus 2 system. This new structure corresponds to the cognitive developmental stages of children, emphasizing foundational learning, experiential learning, and holistic development. The new structure is a child-centric, flexible, and inclusive model that recognizes the importance of each developmental stage in a child's life. It aims to create holistic, skillful, and future-ready learners by ensuring that education is rooted in Indian values and aligned with global standards. Foundational stage, 5 years. The foundational stage under the National Education Policy, NEP, 2020 refers to the first 5 years of formal education, covering children in the age group of 3 to 8 years. It includes 3 years of preschool Anganwadi education followed by grades 1 and 2 in primary school. This stage lays the groundwork for all future learning and is aligned with the principles of early childhood care and education, ECI. Age group 3 to 8 years. Grades preschool, nursery, LKG, UKG, plus grade 1 and grade 2. Curricular focus, play-based, activity-based, and discovery-oriented learning. Features, emphasizes early childhood care and education, ECI. Focus on language development, motor skills, social-emotional learning. Learning through stories, rhymes, games, puzzles, songs, and play. Medium of instruction, mother tongue local language wherever possible. Development of basic numeracy and literacy skills. Objective: to create a strong foundation for learning in subsequent stages by fostering curiosity, creativity, and a joyful learning environment. 2. Preparatory stage, 3 years. The preparatory stage under the National Education Policy, NEP, 2020 refers to the next 3 years of education after the foundational stage, covering grades 3 to 5 and catering to children in the age group of 8 to 11 years. This stage marks a gradual transition from play-based learning to more formal classroom-based education, while still maintaining an engaging and interactive learning environment. Age group 8 to 11 years. Grades grade 3 to grade 5. Focus, discovery, activity-based, and interactive classroom learning. Features, shift from play-based to more formal education. Focus on foundational literacy and numeracy. Introduction to reading, writing, arithmetic, arts, and science. Emphasis on interactive classroom activities and exploration. Introduction to use of workbooks, worksheets, and projects. Objective: to strengthen the foundational learning and begin to build conceptual understanding in core subjects through hands-on learning and engagement. 3. Middle stage, 3 years. The middle stage under the National Education Policy, NEP, 2020 covers grades 6 to 8 and includes children aged 11 to 14 years. This stage marks a major transition from activity-based learning to more conceptual and subject-specific learning, aimed at developing critical thinking, analytical abilities, and deeper understanding of subjects. Age group 11 to 14 years. Grades grade 6 to grade 8. Focus, subject-oriented, experiential learning, critical thinking, and multidisciplinary approach. Features, subject-based teaching begins in earnest emphasis on critical thinking, inquiry-based, discussion-based and analytical learning. Introduction to vocational education, coding, and internship. Students encouraged to explore different career paths and interests. Focus on scientific temper, problem-solving, and creativity. Objective: to transition students from general education to more structured and in-depth learning while encouraging thinking skills and exploration. 4. Secondary stage, 4 years. The secondary stage under the National Education Policy, NEP, 2020 encompasses grades 9 to 12 and includes students aged 14 to 18 years. This stage is structured to deepen knowledge, promote flexibility in subject choices, and prepare learners for higher education, vocational pathways, or employment. Age group 14 to 18 years. Grades grade 9 to grade 12. Structure 2 phases. First phase grades 9 and 10. Second phase grades 11 and 12. Features 2 phases grade 9 to 10. First phase grade 11 to 12. Second phase students can choose subjects across sciences, arts, and commerce. No rigid separation, flexible curriculum with multiple entry and exit points, focus on analytical thinking, research orientation, and vocational skills. Board examinations to become more competency-based and flexible. Objective to prepare students for higher education, employment, or vocational pathways by offering a broad and balanced curriculum that fosters independence and maturity. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. The foundational stage in NEP 2020 includes which of the following combinations? A. 3 years of preschool plus grades 1 and 2. B. Grades 1 to 5. C. Grades 1 to 8. D. Grades 6 to 10. Answer A. 2. Which cognitive focus is emphasized during the preparatory stage under NEP 2020? A. Advanced research and analysis. B. Abstract mathematical problem solving. C. Discovery and play-based learning transition to text-based learning. D. Specialization in academic disciplines. Answer C. 3. What is the major pedagogical shift in the middle stage of NEP 2020? A. Rote memorization. B. Abstract thinking and experiential learning. C. Oral recitation methods. D. Exclusively vocational learning. Answer B. 4. The secondary stage in NEP 2020 is divided into how many phases and what grades do they correspond to? A. 2 phases, grades 9 to 10 and 11 to 12. B. 1 phase, grades 6 to 12. C. 3 phases, grades 9 to 10, 11, and 12. D. 4 phases, 1 for each grade. Answer A. 5. Which of the following is a unique feature of the foundational stage in NEP 2020? A. Board examination reforms. B. Multidisciplinary approach. C. Play activity-based and acquisition-oriented learning. D. Skill-based vocational training. Answer C6. At which stage does NEP 2020 propose a shift to subject-specific teachers for the first time? A. Foundational stage. B. Preparatory stage. C. Middle stage. D. Secondary stage. Answer C. 7. Which stage marks the introduction of vocational education and internships under NEP 2020? A. Foundational stage. B. Preparatory stage. C. Middle stage. D. Secondary stage. Answer D. 8. Under NEP 2020, the preparatory stage emphasizes which mode of pedagogy? A. Solely textbook-based instruction. B. Interactive classroom learning with art integration. C. Lecture-heavy content delivery. D. Corporate internship-based learning. Answer B. 9. Which of the following statements accurately represents the structure of the middle stage as per NEP 2020? A. Grades 6 to 8 with focus on experiential learning. B. Grades 1 to 3 with reading readiness. C. Grades 9 to 12 with subject choice. D. Preschool to grade 2 with ECI. Answer A. 10. According to NEP 2020, what is the key transition between preparatory and middle stage? A. From activity-based to rote learning. B. From textual learning to oral traditions. C. From experiential learning to analytical subject-based curriculum. D. From online to offline instruction. Answer C. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.